Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. And in today's video, I will show you how to restrict app that consume so much battery on your Android phone in the background data. So let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up settings. Then go ahead and click on SIM and network settings. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on data usage. And scroll down right here. And then go ahead and make sure you click on data saver. Make sure you turn on use data saver. Once you enable use data saver, go ahead and go back. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you look for battery and power saving right here. Then go ahead and click on battery setting. Go ahead and click on battery usage. Then scroll down right here and review as many as possible apps that are consuming battery in the background. You can see the report from the screen right here. For you to review and then restrict some of the background use of data, go ahead and select on the app, then switch to restricted. Once you switch to restricted, it means that restrict battery usage while in the background. App may not work as expected, notification may be delayed. Just go ahead and click on restricted. Then you can go back and restrict as much as possible many apps that you no longer use often in your Android phone. So I'm going to go ahead and select on this app, restrict. You can review and unrestrict as many as possible in this section. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.